It's important that more and more students get an opportunity to learn about different forms of sexuality and gender, and to basically realize that gender is a system of regulation and that we've all been programmed to conform to certain gender norms. Biology is obsolete, and we can go beyond the binary, and you can take off your spectacles that allow you to only see in black and white, male and female, hetero, straight, and look and see other possibilities. This is a series that comes from Sublime Mutation. It's called Gender Optional. And they're all self-portraits taken of me. A grid, it refers to the way in which hermaphrodites and people of color were photographed and specimenized in early photographic representations of gender variance. This is Del Boy, and on your right is, looking a bit like I used to, is Debbie Wood if she could. Debbie Wood actually used to be my name. I had an identity as from 16 of someone who was bisexual, but with the long hair, I wasn't able to have any sex with women because they distrusted bisexuals, probably as much now then as they still do now. So what did I do when I moved to San Francisco? I cut my hair and I conformed to a kind of lesbian normativity in order basically to have sex, I have to admit. If you don't see both pictures at once, an assumption is made that the picture on the left of Jack's back is a male, and probably a gay male. And then you see her taking off her shirt and you have to readjust your gender assignment. But would you still then say that she's a woman? So I found that there was, what I was doing subconsciously was questioning those notions of what makes a man and what makes a woman. These photographs, the way in which I photograph them, you would not know. People are, these people used to be women. No, but they see, I have validated their existence as men. So having me here hopefully is a first step in a positive direction towards dismantling those norms and seeing beyond the binary and looking outwards from heteronormativity to what other possibilities exist. So I think that's one thing I hope will happen, and people become more familiar with my work and also educate themselves around other gender issues such as intersex issues and infant genital mutilation, and become activists and allies.